Come to question number 5. Select the wrong statement. Statement number 1, the viruses were discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. This statement is wrong because viroids were discovered by T.O. Diener. Okay. W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. Yes, he crystallized the viruses for the first time. And then the term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bezernik. He carried out one experiment and in which he took the extract of the disease tobacco plant, and the extract was injected in the healthy tobacco plant, and that tobacco plant also developed the disease. So he called that the fluid extracted from the disease plant was living and infectious. That is, contagium vivum fluidum means infectious living fluid. This is true. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. These are also true. So our answer is statement 1. Thank you. Let us discuss some more questions from the viruses. Question number 6. The viruses did not find a place in classification since the options given here, they are not truly living. They are non-cellular, they are obligate parasite, they are pathogenic. Okay, all these statements are true, but the viruses were not included in the classification of the living organism because the viruses are not truly living. So they were not included in the biological classification. Now come to question number 7. Match the following column. In one side, some microbiologist, the name of some microbiologist is given, and in column 2, their important work has been given or important events has been given. So here, this A, column 1, DZ Ivanovsky, he discovered the mosaic disease of tobacco. For the first time, he discovered it, mosaic disease in tobacco, and that was caused by virus. M.W. Bezernik, he was the one that we have just learned, that contagium vivum fluidum. Okay, vivum fluidum. So this match with this. And C, W.M. Stanley for the first time crystallized viruses, and in those crystal maximum portions were protein, major part. And T.O. Diener, he discovered the viroids. So the matching is, our answer is number 3 option, that is A4, B3, C2, and D1. Question number 8. Which of the following group of diseases is caused by viruses? Here the name of the different disease caused by viruses and other organisms, other pathogens has been given. So which is purely by viruses, that we have to see here. This option 1 is mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. This is the one. There's all the 4 diseases mentioned here are caused by virus. In number 2 option, AIDS, diabetes, herpes, tuberculosis. AIDS is caused by virus. Diabetes is the metabolic disorder. Okay, herpes by virus, but tuberculosis by bacteria. Number 3 option, that is anthrax by bacteria, cholera by bacteria, tetanus by bacteria, and tuberculosis also by bacteria. So this number 3 option, all the diseases are caused by bacteria. Number 4 option, this is also again mixed with bacteria and viral diseases, cholera, tetanus, this is by bacterial disease, smallpox and influenza are the viral diseases.